Welcome back to my channel. Luxury Drive Car 2025 Jaguar F-Pace, a vehicle that exemplifies the fusion of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every facet of this remarkable SUV, providing you with a detailed understanding of what makes the 2025 F-Pace stand out in its class. Design and exterior. The 2025 Jaguar F-Pace continues to captivate with its sleek and dynamic design, embodying the brand's commitment to elegance and athleticism. The exterior showcases a harmonious blend of sharp lines and smooth curves, creating a commanding presence on the road. The front fascia features Jaguar's signature grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide both style and functionality. The sculpted hood and pronounced wheel arches further enhance its sporty appeal, while the sloping roofline adds a touch of sophistication. The attention to detail is evident in the choice of materials and finishes. High-quality paint options and meticulously crafted accents contribute to the F-Pace's premium aesthetic. Optional features such as gloss black roof rails and various wheel designs, ranging from 19 to 22 inches, allow for personalization to suit individual tastes. The overall design not only emphasizes aesthetics but also contributes to aerodynamic efficiency, enhancing both performance and fuel economy. Interior and comfort. Stepping inside the 2025 F-Pace reveals a cabin that exudes luxury and comfort. The use of premium materials, including soft touch surfaces, genuine leather upholstery, and real wood or metal accents, creates an inviting atmosphere. The layout is driver-centric, with controls and displays intuitively positioned for ease of use. Seating comfort is paramount, with standard 14-way power-adjustable front seats that offer heating and ventilation. For those seeking an elevated experience, optional 16-way power-adjustable massaging front seats are available, providing personalized comfort settings. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom, ensuring that passengers enjoy a comfortable journey, even on longer trips. The panoramic sunroof, standard across all trims, floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space and openness. Ambient interior lighting allows for customization, enabling drivers to set the mood according to their preferences. The attention to detail extends to practical features such as ample storage compartments, cup holders, and USB charging ports for all passengers. Performance and powertrains. The 2025 F-Pace offers a range of powertrains designed to cater to diverse driving preferences. The base model, the P250 Aerodynamic S, is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces 246 horsepower and 269 pounds-to-feet of torque. This engine delivers a balanced performance, achieving a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of approximately 6.9 seconds, making it suitable for daily driving needs. For those seeking enhanced performance, the P400 Aerodynamic S variant features a 3.0-liter inline-6 engine with mild hybrid technology. This powertrain generates 395 horsepower and 406 pounds-to-feet of torque, propelling the F-Pace from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds. The mild hybrid system not only boosts performance but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency by assisting the engine during acceleration and enabling a smoother start-stop function. At the pinnacle of the lineup is the SVR 575 edition, which boasts a formidable 5.0-liter supercharged V8 engine. This powerhouse produces an exhilarating 567 horsepower and 516 pounds-to-feet of torque, catapulting the F-Pace from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.8 seconds. The SVR model is engineered for enthusiasts who crave high-performance driving dynamics without compromising on luxury and comfort. All engine options are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers seamless gear changes. The standard all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction across various driving conditions, enhancing both performance and safety, handling and ride quality. Jaguar has meticulously tuned the F-Pace's suspension to strike a balance between sporty handling and ride comfort. The double wishbone front suspension and integral link rear suspension work in harmony to provide precise steering responses and a composed ride. The available adaptive dynamics system further enhances the driving experience by continuously monitoring vehicle movements and adjusting the damping for improved comfort and control. The F-Pace's chassis is engineered to deliver agility and stability. The use of lightweight aluminium components reduces overall weight, contributing to improved handling characteristics. The electric power-assisted steering system offers a direct and responsive feel, instilling confidence during spirited driving. For drivers seeking a more dynamic experience, the configurable dynamics system allows for customization of throttle response, steering weight, and suspension stiffness. This feature enables the F-Pace to adapt to various driving scenarios, from relaxed cruising to enthusiastic cornering. Technology and infotainment. The 2025 F-Pace is equipped with Jaguar's advanced PIV Pro infotainment system, featuring an 11.4-inch curved glass touchscreen display. The interface is designed for intuitive operation, with crisp graphics and quick response times. Standard features include navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring seamless connectivity for all occupants. The system supports over-the-air updates, allowing for the latest software enhancements without the need for a dealership visit. The integration of artificial intelligence enables personalized settings, such as seat positions, climate control preferences, and frequently used navigation destinations. An optional Meridian surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, with strategically placed speakers providing rich and balanced sound throughout the cabin. The available head-up display projects key information onto the windshield, allowing drivers to stay informed without diverting their attention from the road. Safety and driver assistance. Jaguar prioritizes safety in the F-Pace, equipping it with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety technologies include emergency braking, detects potential frontal collisions and applies the brakes to mitigate or prevent an accident. Lane keep assist, monitors lane markings and provides gentle steering inputs to keep the vehicle within its lane. Driver condition monitor, analyzes driving behavior to detect signs of fatigue and alerts the driver to take a break if necessary. Traffic sign recognition, identifies traffic signs and displays relevant information to the driver. Optional safety features enhance the protective capabilities of the F-Pace. Adaptive cruise control with